I request Honorable Tourism Minister to explore and expand the tourism spectrum in Sattari in areas of spirituality, in areas of wellness, ecotourism also. आमच्या भागान स्पीकर सर खूब जुनी खूब देवळां आसा आनी आय एम नॉट सेयिंग I can't ask to develop all temples, but I request at least couple of temples in our areas to be taken up because they go back a long way. खूब वर्सां जुनी ती temples, especially आमच्या कोपाडे गांवान एक temple आसा ब्रह्मणी मामायाचें temple, which has lot of significance because people and devotees come from all over. कित्याक ताजे पळय ते तीर्थ आसा, it is supposed to be like the holy आमी तीर्थ म्हणटा, it has medicinal values. So कोणाक कितलेशे लोकांक जे कातीचो बी रोग आसता ते they come and take treatment, ते अगरशाळेन रावतात आनी they take treatment for months together. So if you could develop that temple, beautification of that temple, तशें आमचें भुमिका देवूळ आसा पर्याचें, ते सारकें मेन रस्त्यारच आसा temple. That is also very old temple which has a huge banyan tree in the compound also of that. If you could develop that temple, because these trees dates back hundreds of years, the temple dates back hundreds and hundreds of years. So old significance plus आमचो जो भाग आसा थंय इतले धार्मीक आनी सांस्कृतिक significance आसा, whether it is in terms of festivals that happen, ज्यो आमच्यो दिग्योत्सव म्हणा आनी धालो म्हणात, जे सगळ्यो ह्यो पळय जात्रा जातात त्यो सगळ्यो हे टेम्पल प्रिमायसिसान जातात. सो हे तर पूण त्या टेम्पलाच्या सरावंडींग लायटींग ना, it is in a very dilapidated condition, these temples. थंय पेवर्स ना आनी आमची बायलां पळय ड्युरींग फेस्टिवल्स ती ताजे थंय तांचे फेस्टिवल्साच्या टायमार थंय प्रदक्षिणां जातात, थंय तांचे पळय जे उत्सव जाता, सो दे गो थ्रू लॉट ऑफ हार्डशिप्स बिकॉज द टेम्पल्स आर इन अ डिलॅपिडेटेड कंडिशन. सो स्पेशली ही तर दोन खूब ओल्ड जुनी तर temples, if you could take up, that would be very helpful for our people. And to promote since you're promoting spiritual tourism, that will help a lot, I think, because these temples are on the way, and especially Bhumika temple, it's on the way from Chorla Ghat. When you come down from Belgaum, it's right on the main road just before Sakri. ताजे बरोबर for in terms of wellness center, जे already poru tender जाल्ले आसा ते wellness center in Keri. I think it was given to somebody, but nothing has happened after that. So हांव मातशें रिक्वेस्ट करता तुमकां की जातीतले बेगीन if that wellness center could be started, so it will create lot of job opportunities in Keri Panchayat and surrounding areas, because that area is very close to the beautiful Anjune Dam. And even near the Anjune Dam, if you could think of having a viewing gallery which will have a direct view of the beautiful dam. So if you could just come and visit and see, we can see a place. If you could think of having a viewing gallery which can give you direct view of the dam, and maybe along with the Department of WRD, if the beautification of the dam can be taken up, because that has not been taken up for a long time, that surrounding area, the dam is so beautiful, but you need to beautify that whole area. So last year, Janna WRD department had lit up the dam to celebrate 75 years. Just the 15 disank pay je lakani thai lok aile just to view the dam and the lighting of the dam. Itlo turn म्हणल्यार even small shops in that area benefited so much because itlo footfall आशिल्लो. कित्याक ना जाल्यार आमच्या भागान there is no there's a lot of sun and there is a lot of wind and there is a lot of trees, but there is no sea. But if we have to promote our area and hinterland tourism, we have to try different ways how to get tourists into our areas, whether in terms of wellness or spiritual tourism and ecotourism also. If tourism department along with forest department can work out something to look after our waterfalls. कित्याक आमच्या भागान जे कितले सुंदर waterfalls आसा which are not maintained, but along with tourism, if along with forest department, if we can work out something to look after the waterfalls. कित्याक फाटल्या दिसांनी जे कितें घडलें तें घडपाक जायना आशिल्लें in Mainapi. It was a very unfortunate incident, but that is because we need to have infrastructure which is not existing in our areas. So प्रत्येक waterfall, प्रत्येक water body आमकां infrastructure development जावपाक जाय. आनी tourist लाखांनी tourist येता आमच्या त्या एरियान, but there is no proper structure. It is not a structured tourism thing that is happening right now, because there is no reception area, there is no changing rooms, there are no toilets, there are no bins, there is nothing in those areas. So there are no lifeguards to safeguard the lives of the people. So if we have this structure in place, forest and tourism along, so I think we can do wonders, I think, for hinterland tourism, especially Amcha Bagan, if we can work together. So this was my main thing. At the same time, request the tourism department for HIMARS, जे खूप pending आसा आमचे HIMARS in our areas. If tourism department can work towards them to give us the HIMARS, because they have been pending for a long time. And request, 2 minutes, request Honorable Minister, if you can think of starting an art park in our area. We have land, but if an art park can come, we can have lot of activities in that area. You can have like farmers market. Ki आमच्या बागान खूप farming जाता, farmers आसा. There can be a farmers market, pop-up markets, and throughout the other time of the year also, you can have like a cycling track and areas like amphitheater where performing arts can happen. There's a lot of performing arts happening in our areas. So whether drama jata, kirtana jata, theatre jata, all that can happen throughout the year in our area, and that art park can be used for a lot of things. And the same thing, there can be like a waterfall or in some installations, fountains, so again, to see how tourists can come into our areas. So request the Honorable Minister to please look into it. Thank you, Speaker.
तुम पळयतात गोवा न्यूज हब.